Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into CHAINLINK once again. Thank you for support. Okay, bigger the CoinsKid crew. So CHAINLINK's done incredibly well. I did make a video right about here in October, wasn't it? You know, the potential scenario of a massive inverse head and shoulders pattern playing out with a minimal target. Huge pattern. Look at that reversal pattern, ascending triangle just there. Breakout on the third point of resistance, which is what we was anticipating and looking at in the video as well. And then I had a minimal target right here, and it's come up and it's absolutely met it like an absolute boss. So what's going on with CHAINLINK right now? So we go from there today. You can clearly see, came up, met the target, boom, look at that, like an absolute boss. It was a beautiful move for the CoinsKid crew, including myself. Okay, so, you know, I was trying to identify opportunity for you. I know at the time when I was making the videos, there were lots of naysayers, trolls and people like that, but, you know, it played out as a beautiful trade. So what we've got here, from this pivot low just here, we have actually got 5 waves right now. So this is potentially a bullish impulsive move, basically, a wave 1 of a huge move to the upside here for CHAINLINK. So I'll go through this with you. We're doing really well, but after 5 waves up, you've always got to apply a bit of caution, okay, and it's always increases the probability of a pullback. So what we've got here, in my opinion, is a beautiful 5 waves. Okay, so I'm going to measure this with you just here. What we've got from this bottom is the 1, then we've got the ABC zigzag 2, okay, then we've put in a massive third wave just there, then I think we've had an irregular ABC correction that completed just there, and right now that was your wave 4 correction, and what we've got is a final 5th wave here. So I'm going to try and find my hardest where I think the 5th wave's done, basically, or going to. There is a potential it is cooked already, which is increasing the probability of a bigger correction in the crypto markets than we anticipate right now. So obviously if it does start to correct from this point, we will be looking at some kind of macro wave 2 correction. Okay, so I'll go through this with you, but the 5 waves, okay, the 5 waves is bullish basically, for, in my opinion, for CHAINLINK, and any drawdown, any pullback, in my opinion, is an opportunity, because eventually we come up in a very powerful third wave here for CHAINLINK basically. So if we measure this particular wave count just there for CHAINLINK, you can clearly see, like I've always taught you, the wave 3 usually goes, if it's really powerful in a trend, it usually goes to 2.618. Now we've just traded like an absolute boss on Bitcoin the 2.618 as well. So as you're fully aware, I think that this is the count. We've had a 1, an ABC zigzag 2, this has been a massive third wave, this has been an irregular flat wave 4 because of the alternation of 2 and 4, and right now this is your final 5th wave, which is coming up here for CHAINLINK basically. Okay, so basically we've done, you know, we could say at this point, you know, if you're already involved in CHAINLINK, this is not a bad area to take some profit off the table, because eventually we're coming for a bigger macro correction, a potential wave 1 impulsive move, ABC zigzag corrective move before continuation. So this could be sort of giving us a clue that the crypto markets are looking for a deeper correction than we actually anticipate right now, and it's not as bullish in the short term as we do anticipate because of the 5 waves up on CHAINLINK. Okay, so you know, there's no guarantees that this will play out like this, or there's no guarantees that the, you know, the 5 waves is actually done right now. So we've had the third wave, which has met the 2.618 like a boss. We've had the flat ABC zigzag, a regular correction, sorry. We've had the ABC zigzag of wave 2, so we've got alternation. So right now this is the final 5th wave. Okay, so with that we can measure where we think it's going to go to. So from the pivot bottom to the top of the wave 3, in my opinion, just there, this is where we're going to right now. Okay, you can clearly see what we've done here for CHAINLINK. We've not quite tapped that 1618. So I actually think that CHAINLINK could be looking for around about $20.13 before a major macro correction here. Okay, so again, nothing I say is financial advice, but if I'm correct and we see another little move in the crypto markets, okay, and we do start to see a bigger macro correction than we anticipate, then we could have a simple C zigzag correction like that for CHAINLINK into the summer, and then build up some more positions on this neckline just there, this beautiful breakout of an inverse head and shoulders, and then we go again in a very powerful wave 3. Okay, and that's just simple technical analysis for CHAINLINK. We've got the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the ABC zigzag back into this neckline for support, and then we go again in a massive powerful wave 3. So where do I think CHAINLINK will go to eventually? Okay, so if we start to zoom out on the weekly time frame, I think I've given you this target already, but if we do start to make progress here after these 5 waves up for CHAINLINK, okay, and we do start to have an ABC zigzag correction that comes back, absolutely possible, and you can clearly see we're getting really far away from the ribbon right now. We do have a buy signal, which is really bullish, the reversal of the sell signal right now, but obviously just like we came back here, do you see this? We created a sell signal. What do? We come back into it to confirm. Right now we come back into it to confirm as a buy signal. If we do start to go again here and we have the big ABC zigzag coming back, then for me, I think we've got a beautiful move here for CHAINLINK. Okay, from this bottom to the top, what we've got is a massive impulsive move that Chainlink's forming right now, and I'll be looking for a minimal $100 Chainlink price tag. Okay, you know, and this is something I was relaying way back down here as an opportunity on the drop as well. You know, if you remember the monthly time frame, which I've shown you many times, and equally in January, it was January of 2022, I gave you a warning signal on the monthly that if we lose this pivot low here, I'm putting some bids in down here on this swing low. Okay, because you've melted through it without back to support. So possibly some kind of ABC zigzag that's complete just there, and right now you've got a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4 and a 5, an ABC that comes back down into this level here to confirm support, and then we go again in a monster third wave which comes up like that, something like that for Chainlink for the remainder of the year. Okay, this is what I'm looking at as a potential opportunity. So my minimal target in this bull market for Chainlink is the 1.272 at $101 basically. Okay, so possibly some kind of impulsive wave 1, zigzag wave 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's your bull market complete for Chainlink basically. Okay, so at the minute we have ran into the 0.5 fib, we are getting above it, so you know, possibly tapping out the 0.618 with a wick just there, and then we come back in for the zigzag if we do start to see Chainlink go again. So that's basically Chainlink. Hope you enjoyed that update, but so far so good. We did get some beautiful bids in on this neckline, and this is a target I was giving you here when we started to drop down here. I said to you, put some bids on this neckline because I expect a big boy bounce, and we've got exactly that. Okay, it's been a beautiful little trade for the CoinsKid crew. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care everyone. Back to a new update on Chainlink. Bye bye.